Greetings of the day. Myself, K. Sai Lakshman. I'm a BTech student. Today, I'm going to discuss about introduction to Python and DSA Mastery Roadmap. Okay, in this roadmap, I'm just going what are the topics are there and what topics will be covered and how much we'll learn, and we'll get a good clarity on DSA and Python. Okay, initially basics of programming in Python, like flowcharts and variables and data types, plus operators like arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, and those stuff, and conditional statement, if else and else if ladder, and nested else if loops. Loops nothing but for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, in Python we are having while loop and for loop only, and jump statement and skip and break, pattern printing, basic pattern printing, and complex also there, functions. Okay, recursions and scope of the variables, nothing but and I'm going to go to the next topic, core data structures, nothing but list, introduction to list, and list, some basic questions on list and slicing of the list and comprehension, and 2D list like matrix. Okay, and strings also we are going to discuss, like basics and how we have to print the strings based on our requirement, and some other structures, nothing but dictionaries and sets and tuples. Okay, and we are going to learn some algorithms related to arrays and strings, nothing but cadence and 2D cadence and two-sum, threesum, and two-sum, threesum are related to arrays, and DNF algorithm and Morse sorting algorithm. These are some basic algorithms everyone should know. And sorting and time complexity is nothing but time complexity. To analyze an algorithm or a program, we used to check time complexity, the amount of time to require to execute an algorithm or a code is called time complexity, and space complexity, and the amount of time used to store this code is called space complexity, and binary search and bubble sort and some sorting techniques, bubble sort and selection sort, insertion sort, and quick sort and merge sort. The quick sort and merge sort are also divide and conquer strategy, and some OOP principles like introduction to OOP OOPS concept, nothing but uh, polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, objects, and class, those stuff which is related. And I'm going to the linked list also, introduction to linked list, just basic only, and stacks and infix, postfix, prefix notations, how we are using it, and queues, some basic on queues, and stack versus queue, what's the difference between stack and queue. Okay, the stack follow LIFO principle and queue follow FIFO principle, and some basic questions on that, and tree basics, nothing but tree traversal, lever order, left right view, top to bottom view, and tree construction. Okay, and BST, binary search tree. Okay, introduction to BST and insertion and deletion and basic problems on it, and how to analyze a tree, and introduction to heaps also, heaps intro and heaps implementation, heapify algorithm, and graphs, core graph algorithms like topological sort and discrete algorithm, and minimum spanning trees like for Prim's algorithm, and okay, Kruskal's and Bellman fold algorithm, fluid Warshall algorithm, and greedy algorithm, nothing but fractional knapsack and some other stuff are there, job scheduling, and backtracking, and fin problem, and DP basics, nothing but dynamic programming basics, and knapsack variants and coin change, edit distance, matrix multiplication, nothing but Strasson's matrix. Okay, Catalan numbers and number theory like GCD of two numbers, and modular arithmetic and binary exponential, and CV of arithmetic. Okay, if possible, I try to add some more topics and I'll discuss in the middle. Okay, so basically, in this uh, in this series, I used to cover these all the topics. Okay, by these topics, you'll get a good clarity on Python and DSA core concepts. Okay, okay. I think everyone learning DSA, why I don't know, but you have to know one point clearly: why you are learning and where you are implementing it. Okay, so you are learning maps and trees. Okay, So we are implementing in real life. For suppose we are learning nothing but graphs. For suppose and for nothing but we are learning nothing but discrete algorithm or Kruskal's algorithm or Prim's algorithm. Where we are using, you might don't know. See, if we are opening a Google map and we are searching for a shortest and nearest distance place, we are getting shortest distance via car, bike, and by walk. Okay, the rest of the, so we are getting these kind of distances. Okay, why? Nothing but the behind this principle is was some they are following Prim's algorithm or Kruskal's algorithm. Those, so those we are implementing there. Okay, similarly, and I think yeah. What a minute. We are learning trees, nothing but we are storing a files and directories in a structured manner, and this concept related to like this. Okay, and for suppose we are using queues and stack. Okay, for suppose and linked list. See, we are using we are most of the people we try to listen Spotify and some other musics are there, we music, and we used to create a playlist, and we used to listen songs frequently, and we used to create a playlist also. So initially we didn't create any playlist, we are just playing a songs and we are listening. Okay, see what here happening, one song after we are getting completion of another song, or we are going to skip. See here, one song is particular a note, and the next song address was storing in the previous. Okay, so it is going in a linked list format. Okay, so if we are create see, we can traverse through list also, we can come back and we can go friend. Okay, similarly it's like double linked list. Okay, initially after listening the song we are going to next song, or if we want to go to the next song, but we cannot come back. So this is called single linked list. There is a drawback in it, so that reason they created a doubly linked list. Okay, if we are creating a playlist, what happened, nothing but circular linked list. First we are playing one song, and later on it is going to up to 10 songs. After completion of the 10th song, it was going to the 11th song. So no, sorry, it was going to the first song. So from 1 to I can 10, and completion of 10 it was going to the first song. So what here happening, circular linked list, nothing but where is starting at after completion of it, it going to the again starting position from the starting okay, so this is nothing but circular linked list. See, these principles were implemented here. Okay, so similarly these algorithms and everything, and we are for trading purpose also they used to learn this algorithm. So if you are good at these algorithms, if you can write an algorithm or perfectly, or you can tell a particular solution to the problems, you'll get a you'll get a good salary. It's a part. See, you should have knowledge where you're implementing it. So in this series I'll try to discuss this all concepts. If possible, I'll try to add some more topics also. So basically from this series you'll get some clarity on it. Okay, thank you. And from the next video onwards, you'll get some topics. You just follow it. And sorry, I didn't give intro. Sorry. See, this channel LL-TechTalks, and my name is Lakshman. I used to cover these all topics. And if you have any doubts, you can comment. I mean, can message me or via comments. Okay, I'll reply definitely. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe and like, share. Okay, thank you. Bye.